Hello everyone. In the previous video we had learned to add picture in Word file, that was clip art feature. In this video we will learn a new and a special feature of MS Word, that is WordArt feature. So WordArt feature is used to add special and attractive effects to the text in a Word file. You can follow these steps to add these styles to the text in your Word document. First, click on the Insert tab. Now click on WordArt and open the drop-down list of WordArt styles. You can choose any effect you like. A box will appear with your text here written inside it. Click on Transform option in the WordArt Styles group. Now you can type whatever text you like. Then move the cursor to transform according to yourself. At last, click on the WordArt style of your choice and the chosen style will be applied.